Looking for the best way to kickstart your Bybit journey? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing the ultimate Bybit Referral code, KAKA, which unlocks exclusive bonuses and rewards to give you a solid head start. By using the Bybit Referral code, KAKA, you can instantly access a range of benefits. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, and the code KAKA will be automatically applied for your convenience. Now, let's talk about the rewards. When you sign up using this code, you'll get access to welcome bonuses worth up to $30,000, including deposit bonuses, VIP status upgrades, and more. This is your chance to make the most of Bybit's offerings and start trading with an edge. Bybit is a trusted platform with over 39 million users worldwide, available in 160 countries, and offering more than 1,300 tokens for trading. Whether you're into spot trading, derivatives, or leverage tokens, Bybit has you covered with industry-leading liquidity and 24/7 support. Using the Bybit Referral code, KAKA, is simple. Just follow the link below, and the code will be applied automatically. If for some reason it's not, simply copy and paste KAKA into the referral code section during your sign-up process. This ensures you get all the bonuses available. Don't miss out on these amazing rewards. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment, sign up using the code KAKA, and start your Bybit journey today with up to $30,000 in bonuses. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to maximize your trading experience on Bybit. See you in the next video.